Hello guys, so it's me and Nichan, so we're playing Escape the Big Head.
Yeah, and this is part 3, stage 3 of Escape the Big Head. Make sure to like and
Subscribe!
for more videos. Let's get going.
Wait lang. Come on.
Let's go. Come on.
Well,
Oh, you teleported?
No.
You're a little bit laggy. Ah! Ah! Oh, two big heads. Oh no, it's triplets.
Triplets.
You're a bit I died. Wait, I died. Wait for me.
Oh no, I died.
Wait for me there. I died.
Wait.
I'm already here. I'm gonna wait for you sa 3 heads. Right here, oh.
Wait.
Wait, guys. I'm going
I don't know.
You're doing the one that we did in part 2? I don't know. Yeah. You're so short. You're so short. Look, oh, you're so short.
No, but
There.
I'm right there.
Wait, I can't see you. I can't see you.
What?
Yeah. I can't see you then. You're only right here.
What?
Yeah, try to restart. Wait, no. You will teleport to other game. Ten. I can only see right here.
Why? But that's me.
Yeah, is that a clone of you?
Wait, yes.
Wait, let's see you in the
That's me in the future.
Okay, found you. Jump. Try to jump. Okay, cool. Careful. Wait, come on.
We're gonna see the buffalo.
Yeah, the buff.
Buff.
Buffalo! Come here. Look at this!
What?
Buffalo.
No, buffalo.
Ah! It's the buffalo! Did you die? I'm gonna wait for you here. I'm just gonna hide from that Felipe. Oh, I didn't know that Felipe could fit. I'll try to hide here. It was
Burn!
Where are you?
I'm
Oh,
right.
come here.
Oh!
Where are you? I can't see.
Here.
Oh, ah! You're so laggy.
I'm not.
I'm getting distracted.
Felipe.
Where should I go? I can't see.
There's some two holes.
Right here.
Here. I'm right. Wait.
Where are you?
Right here. Hello.
Then you're so laggy.
Come on, you're so laggy.
No, I'm not. Look at you.
Oh.
This is Tenten, guys. He's so laggy.
No.
Now he's ragging. It's stage 3. You're so laggy. Come on now.
Stage 2. So laggy.
Oh my god!
Should the big head go to you?
The lesson is don't show off. You're walking now.
Newton, come on.
You're laggy.
Have to be late.
You're so laggy, Tenten.
You don't have to be late.
Look, oh, you're laggy. Try to jump. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're laggy. Oh no. Oh. Then I'm getting distracted. Now the whole video is going to be ruined. Okay, let's stand here. Stand here.
So bye guys.
Bye guys.
So that's it, part 4.
Okay, bye.
Let's go to part 4.